According to Newton's first law of motion, if the net force acting on an object is zero, the object remains at rest, or if the object is already moving, continues to move in a straight line with constant speed until rolling friction stops it. The type of friction that prevents an object from moving when a force is applied is called static friction. Emma is going to be pushing the rack, which has more mass than the binder, which will be harder. And now she is going to push the binder, which has less mass, so it'll be easier to move. Okay, she's going to kick it.
Sliding friction slows down an object that slides. Josh is going to slide the binder, and sliding friction will slow it down until it comes to a stop.
Rolling friction occurs when an object moves across a surface. So Lily and Emma are going to be pushing the ball together for some reason until the ball stops by an outside force or the friction. Go. A force is a push or pull. Lily and Emma are going to be both pushing the door, and it will remain at the net force of zero. Go.
Air resistance is a form of friction that acts to slow down any object moving in the air. Josh is gonna drop a piece of paper flat and then another one crumpled up for air resistance. The force of gravity exists between any two objects that have mass. Josh is gonna drop the ball and this baby, and the gravity is gonna pull it down.
Sometimes the net force on an object and the object's velocity are neither in the same direction nor in the opposite direction. Then the object will move in a curved path instead of a straight line. So Lily is going to just shoot it up, and it's not going to go straight. It's going to curve.
Hooray!
Center of mass is the point in an object that moves as if all the object's mass were concentrated at that point. So Emma is going to be throwing the ball up and down, and the ball is going to be spinning around the center of the ball's point. According to Newton's third law of motion, forces always act in equal but opposite pairs. So Lily is going to push on the wall, and the wall is pushing back on her. According to Newton's second law of motion, the acceleration of an object equals the net force divided by the mass is in the direction of the net force. So Lily is going to push the chair, and it's going to gain acceleration. Pretty slow, but okay.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.